Hello, I'm Seth Johnson with Land to House. So in a previous video, we removed the tree that had fallen on the flume. But there is some damage, so let's take a look at that now and see what repairs we have to make. Looks like our concrete footers are just fine, but the whole flume has been shifted over a little bit. So these backboards are fine, but the front ones here, two of them, have been snapped in half. So I believe what I'm going to do is find the point where these boards are intact, and then I'm going to just cut them and then replace that section with new boards. So let's get started. Let's see here, this first one got a good 12 foot here. So I'm thinking I can just use one 8-foot decking board to fix both pieces of this. So I'm gonna find my 12-foot mark here and then use my speed square. Then I will use the circular saw to cut that piece. Pretty easy cut. All right, our two boards are now even at 12 foot. Let me see if I can scoot this whole thing back onto its foundation where it's supposed to be. Okay, about there. See if I can get these boards to pull through here. Looks like just the screws got pulled up or pulled out of the wood. See if I can back these screws out of here. Kind of hard to get to. For the floor pieces, I'm just gonna back these out some. And match it up down here at the end, and then put them back in. And I think I'll just add one more screw to this so that I'm not too worried about it coming back out. Okay. Yeah. These boots are waterproof, that's for sure. I made this section underneath the cross piece a little hard to get to, so I'm having to use goodness. Had to move this piece to the side a little bit. And here we have one brand new decking board. Gonna cut this in half at 4 foot to give us the two pieces we need to finish our repair. Well, just set the two new boards here in where the old one was. And it looks like it's going to be pretty nice. Now I'm thinking because there's only one support for that little section of the flume. I'm going to cut a few small pieces of this to use as braces for that, for this right here. So this little piece here sags down real bad. I'm gonna just drill a couple of holes here on both sides. Then alright, get these started here. I hope this works. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this piece here and place it underneath as the support. Oops. And since we'll have our rubber liner on this, it shouldn't be that terrible. And the repairs are done. Not quite as pretty as it was before, but at least it's back up to where it was. Well, I'm glad to have this thing repaired. The next step is to put the rubber on this and get the water flowing through here, so I'm really excited about that. Well, thanks for watching this little repair. I'm Seth Johnson with Land the House, and I'll see you in the next video.